Hello guys, are you facing this error? Then don't worry, I got an easy fix for you. Just don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel and follow this tutorial. We will fix this error together. First, open the settings of your phone and from here scroll down and search for apps and open the app list or apps. And from here search for the Battleground or PUBG. Click on it and from here you need to click on permissions and check if all permissions are allowed. If it is, then go back and go to the storage and clear the cache. After cache is clear, get back to the game and try to run the game. Hopefully the error is fixed. But if it doesn't, then I got another fix for you. Open the settings again and search for DNS and open the private DNS option. Now click on the designated private DNS and click on modify, and here remove this and type this value which is shown on the screen, and I will paste this also in description so you can copy it from here. And after it, go back and open the PUBG again, and this time the error should definitely be fixed. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye.